everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all healthy and happy. Today, we're going to make a fresh, healthy, and super delicious drink, strawberry juice. This drink is perfect for those of you who love a sweet and tangy, refreshing taste, especially when served cold on a hot day. Can you imagine how refreshing it is? Oh, and besides making strawberry juice, I'll also share some tips on how to choose sweet and fresh strawberries. So, don't skip this video to make sure you get the best juice results. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Ingredient preparation. Ingredients needed. First, 10 to 12 fresh strawberries, washed and destemmed. Next, 2 to 3 tablespoons, sweetened condensed milk or yogurt, optional. And the last 200 milliliters, cold water or coconut water. Tools used: 1 blender, 1 knife and cutting board, 1 serving glass, 1 strainer optional for a smoother texture. The ingredients are super easy to find, right? Besides tasting amazing, strawberries also have a lot of health benefits. They are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, which are great for our bodies. If you prefer a creamier juice, you can add milk or yogurt to make it smoother and richer in texture. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Choosing and preparing the strawberries. Before we continue, let me share a quick tip for those of you who love strawberries. If you want sweet and fresh strawberries, choose the ones that are bright red and evenly colored. Avoid those that still have white parts because they usually taste sour. Also, don't forget to wash the strawberries under running water and soak them in salt water or vinegar for a while to remove dirt and pesticides. All right, now let's cut the strawberries to make them easier to blend. Steps: wash the strawberries thoroughly. Remove the stems. Cut the strawberries into halves or quarters for easier blending. While cutting the strawberries, let me tell you a little about them. Strawberry, Fragaria X Ananasa Duke, is a red berry with small white seeds on its surface. It belongs to the Rosaceae family. Strawberries have a slightly sour flesh, a soft texture, and a strong, pleasant aroma. They are also rich in vitamin C. Characteristics of strawberries: the skin turns red when ripe and remains green when unripe. They have tiny seeds on their surface. Their taste is sweet and refreshing. The flesh is soft with a slightly fibrous texture. They have a strong and pleasant aroma. Benefits of strawberries: rich in vitamin C and fiber. Contain anthocyanins, an antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of colon cancer. Contain prebiotic fiber that supports the growth of good bacteria in the gut, prevents constipation, and maintains digestive health. Good for heart health. Uses of strawberries: commonly used in desserts like cakes, jams, ice creams, and salads. Often eaten fresh or processed into various food products. Frequently considered a symbol of love and romance. Once all the strawberries are cut, we're ready to start blending. Step 3. Blending. Add the sliced strawberries to the blender. Pour in cold water or coconut water for a fresher taste. If you prefer a creamier texture, add milk or yogurt. Blend everything until smooth and well combined. This is the most exciting part: blending. Make sure all the ingredients are in, then blend until smooth. While waiting, let me tell you a little about juice. Juice is a drink made from the natural liquid extracted or pressed from fruits and vegetables. It can also refer to flavored liquids made from concentrates or other biological food sources. Since we're making strawberry juice today, let me explain more about it. Strawberry juice is a drink made from blended strawberries and water. It has a sweet and refreshing taste and is packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Health benefits of strawberry juice: supports heart health, maintains healthy skin, keeps your eyes healthy, reduces the risk of cancer, aids digestion, strengthens the immune system, helps fight acne, assists in weight loss. How to make strawberry juice: blend fresh strawberries with enough water. Add sugar, sweetened condensed milk, honey, or other fruits like pineapple or banana. Add ice cubes for extra freshness. Tips for consuming strawberry juice: to get the best benefits, choose juice free from preservatives, artificial flavors, and sweeteners. Sugar-free strawberry juice is a healthy and delicious way to enjoy strawberry nutrients. You can customize strawberry juice with different ingredients for a unique taste. Besides that, strawberry juice is low in calories, making it perfect for those who are dieting or trying to maintain a healthy weight. All right, now that our juice is smooth, if you prefer a finer texture, you can strain it before serving. Step 4. Straining and serving. For a smoother texture, strain the juice using a strainer. If you like the strawberry fibers, pour it directly into a glass. Wow, look at that color. Bright red and absolutely gorgeous. This strawberry juice looks so tempting. To make it even more appealing, we can garnish it with some fresh strawberry slices or a sprig of mint for a fresh look. This juice is ready to drink, or if you prefer it extra cold, you can chill it in the fridge before serving. Step 5. Closing. Yay, our strawberry juice is finally ready. So refreshing and definitely healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so I can keep making more fun recipes. If you try making this at home, let me know in the comments. You can also experiment by adding lemon or banana to create unique flavors. See you in the next video. Enjoy your fresh and healthy strawberry juice.